Frank.
What does he mean really slow?
Ah!
Oh my gosh!
Don't put your arms out this time. You'll lose them.
I just don't want to slip!
What the heck was that?
Oh my god, that was...
Oh! Cassie? We wiped out. Okay. We didn't take green. We didn't take green because it's single rider tubes only. Hit subscribe, hit that button down there, and if you hit subscribe and like the video, then maybe I'll stop singing. We'll never know unless you hit subscribe, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and maybe I'll stop singing. Let's find out if that works.